everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to bring you this video today because it is my first maternity collaboration. I am teaming up with AMORETU. I want to make sure I'm saying their name properly. They're a women's clothing store online and they have a ton of adorable pieces ranging from dresses to tops to bottoms to skirts, everything and anything in between. All of the price points are super affordable, which you know is my speed, and I picked out a few items that I'm going to share with you today. So this isn't a maternity specific brand, but so many of their items are maternity friendly. So they're able to accommodate the growing bump, which I've got. I just zoomed out real quick. Here is a little look at my bump. I am a little over 22 weeks right now. So we are just over halfway and it's crazy. It's just like the wildest little thing. It gets bigger throughout the day. I just had lunch, so I think we're gonna get a little more growth on this before bedtime, but this is what I've been working with. Right now on their website, there is a major sale going on, up to 70% off. Some items are as low as $9.99. There is no more of a steal than that. And they did make me an exclusive coupon code. You can use Bella at checkout for an additional 30% off. So this is a great time to stock up on some faves. All of the pieces I'm going to share with you today can be worn in spring, summer, and fall, so you can definitely get a lot of use out of them. And again, this isn't a maternity site, so all of these clothes were originally designed for women who are not pregnant, but they are super bump friendly. Getting ready in the morning has been fun, but challenging at times, and I really want to maintain a sense of style, a sense of self, and these outfits are going to really help me to do so. So I have 5 different pieces that I'm going to share with you today. Most of them are dresses. One of them is a skirt. So I've styled full outfits with shoes, bags, accessories, and I'm going to show you them all right now.
All right, first up we have this long sleeve casual tunic loose flowy swing shift dress. I got it in black just because I thought it would be the perfect dress to have as a staple in my closet. You can easily dress it up or down. I kind of went halfway here with a clutch and some fun block heels, but you could totally do like a strappy heel or flats. It's really comfortable and it definitely accommodates the bump. Plenty of room to grow. I'm wearing it in a small. At the time of me filming this, it's currently $33 on their website and it comes in 9 different colors. Next up is this high-waisted ruffle skirt. Now, I was a little nervous about wearing a skirt with the bump. I haven't done this yet, but I love how this outfit came together. I paired it with a ribbed bodysuit that I already had. Super comfortable. I love that you can tie the waist and the waistband is actually really stretchy. I also got this in a small, and there is more than enough room for my bump right now and the growing bump to come. This skirt is currently $29 at the time of filming this, and it's available in 3 different colors. I love this mint green. I just think it's a really fun and fresh color for spring and summer. I have a feeling I'll be wearing this a ton through August and September. Very excited about this find. Here we have a resort print ruffle dress. This is kind of like a leopard print, I would say. It comes in 4 other different patterns. It's currently $50 on the website, and I thought this would be the perfect piece for fall. I paired it here with my knee-high boots and a little crossbody. Very bump friendly. Love the tie around the waist. Super comfortable to wear, super easy to get in and out of. I love how it flows. There's so much material around the waist. It's got a nice spin to it. Very flowy, very fall. Definitely something that I'll be wearing in October, November, maybe even December. Super excited about this one. Here we have a casual tunic, loose flowy swing shift dress. This is very similar to the black dress, but it is short sleeved, but very similar tiered ruffles on the bottom, easy short sleeves. This is also $33. I got it in the mint color as well. I'm really loving this mint. Again, super bump friendly. It is a size small, but there's so much room to grow. It comes in a ton of colors. I didn't even count, but at least 8 or 9 other options. I was probably most excited about this one. I think it'll get a lot of wear. Last but not least is another casual shift swing dress. This one comes in 5 different colors. I got it in the burgundy. I thought it was just a perfect summer shade, also great for the fall. At the time of filming, this is also $30. It's incredibly lightweight and really flattering. This one is a size small. It's kind of got a high-low cut to it, but I love the high neck. I love where it falls around the armpit, and it's got so much room in the stomach area. So if you're trying to accommodate a bump or hide your stomach, this is an excellent option. I paired it with a black clutch, strappy black heels, and a pair of black sunnies, and I just love this one.
That is it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. I've really been looking forward to doing some maternity collaborations and sneaking them into my content here and there because this is a season of life that is just so special, especially my first time being pregnant. I really want to embrace it. I really want to enjoy it. I want to have fun with my bump. I want to have fun with my body. It is absolutely amazing what the body can do. I'm in awe of it every single day. It's a little strange getting used to, but I'm just letting it do its thing. Trusting the process and trying to enjoy the ride. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. And leave me a comment below letting me know if you've ever shopped AMORETU.com and what some of your favorite items are. Also, if you happen to be pregnant or you have been pregnant in the past, let me know where you picked up some of your favorite maternity items or even just regular clothes that were suitable for a growing bump. I'm not due until December, so I have a few more months of dressing the bump until baby boy gets here. But that is it. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye!